Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you if HP Chromebook 14A is a good laptop. And the answer is depends on your needs, because of course this is not a gaming laptop and it's not for any extensive tasks. This is a Chromebook, which means it doesn't run Windows, it runs ChromeOS, which has limited functionality, but Sam will like it because it is really great for either those that just don't need this like any more functionality besides some Gmail, some browser, or your messages. It has great compatibility with Android phones, so you can just answer to your messages from your Chromebook, just like on your iPhone's messages on MacBook. It's great for Google Meet or Teams or Zoom, so if you want to do some online video conferences, meetings, whatever, feel free to do it on this laptop. It's quite great for it. And it's great also for YouTube as well. For some basic tasks, I think it's a very pleasant experience on this laptop. And it also runs Play Store, so you can download the Android apps. And what I like the most about this laptop is that it's the best for unexperienced users that don't really need that experience. What I mean by that is if you just are maybe unexperienced with laptops and want to get something with a bigger screen than your phone, something that you can do laptop stuff on, open several tabs in the browser, have the mouse, have the external keyboard, the physical keyboard. It's great. The battery life is 14 hours. The keyboard also is great because it's less confusing. What I mean by that is on Windows, the top row keys would typically have two functions. Each of these keys would have two functions, and you can switch between those and stuff. It's not really intuitive. Here, you just have symbols. You can learn what they mean and use them. Then something a bit confusing for Windows or macOS user, but great for those that are new to laptops, is this button. It isn't a caps lock like a normal keyboard. Instead, this is a launcher button, and it opens you this app window so you can easily open different apps from here. I really like it, and it's also great for some school, university, and stuff like that, to just take some notes, to browse the web. Also great for children, like for their first laptop, or for older people that just don't care about having a laptop that can do so many stuff. Just something that looks familiar to their Android phone. You can see it really does look familiar, and something that is easy to use, has great battery life, and that's about it. I really like this laptop and I would recommend it, especially for the price that it comes in. But if you were to play games, install some programs like video editing programs, some graphics editing programs, you won't do it on this laptop, unfortunately. So if you want to do extensive tasks, if you are running programs that run only on Windows or only on macOS, then you won't run it here. And that's about it. I hope it was helpful. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments down below. Like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.